So enough with my mother-in-law drama. She's taken up enough of this space today. But I do feel like I need to tap into my love. It's time for makeup for besties. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. She must be a real makeup artist. Let me make myself smaller. Look at that. She's making herself a burger. Talent. So we are ready. Let's see how she transforms. Oh, it's going to be blue. I'm excited. Oh, OMG, that was so creative. Let's find another one. Okay, y'all know 3 looks. Okay, let's go. So I'm loving the bonnet, by the way. The bedazzledness. I love the red on her skin. Oh, I did not see that coming. That's some work. Okay, this is our last and final look, so you guys get to judge. I like her hair. Oh, hey, that's that thing over. I know I said 3 looks, but we got 4 because the burger just is my personal favorite. Okay, so you let me know which one was your favorite. Was it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? All right, until next time.